When I first moved into my house 13 years ago, I designed this room as a playroom for my very young grandsons, 3 of them. And I wanted to, since they've now become teenagers, make it into a gallery for my art. I never had time, but now I have time. And here it is, my gallery. It's not finished. It's still a studio for my brother and I to do the Bess and Mike Show, which is our online YouTube channel, music. So we have our music junk scattered around, but I finally have my paintings up. Oh yeah, the boy door. It shows how tall those grandsons have become. There's 3 of them. On the 20th of April, they'll all be teenagers. They no longer need a playroom.